In this video, I will share with you how you can create your Upwork profile from Jamaica. So you just go to www.upwork.com and then select sign up. You can join as a client or freelancer, select whatever best applies to you. So I'm just going to be selecting freelancer for now, and then go ahead and select apply as freelancer. You can choose to sign up with an Apple account, a Gmail account, or an email address, right? So here I'll be continuing with Google account. Select your Google account of your choice if that's what you selected. Scroll down and then select continue. So ensure your first name is correct and your last name, and from the drop down ensure Jamaica is selected, right? Agree to the terms and conditions and then select create my account. So next you're going to answer a few questions to start building your profile. You can then go ahead and apply for open roles or list service for clients to buy, and then most importantly get paid. So here just select get started. Have you ever freelanced before, right? Select what best applies to you. So I'm just going to say I'm an expert and then select next. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Select an option that best applies to you and then select next. So how would you like to work? You can find roles and opportunities for yourself, as well as you can package your work for clients to buy, right? So select what best applies or what you need. And if you want full-time, right, you can also select that you're open to contract hire opportunities. So you basically start on a contract and then explore later to become full-time with the client. Then go ahead and select next to create a profile. So here you can import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume, or you can fill it out manually, which takes about 15 minutes. So I'll be doing an upload. So here you're going to select the type of work that you're here to do. So to your left, you can select the category and then select whatever type of work you want to do. And this will be based on your resume. So here I'm going to select under IT and networking. I'm going to select database management and administration, and then select next to add your skills. So here I'll be adding these two suggested skills and then go ahead and select next. Here specify your professional role. So once you specify your professional role, go ahead and select next to add your experience. So these would have been populated from your resume, right? I'm just going to go ahead and select. Now this section will be populated based on your resume. If there are any errors, it will be highlighted, and you can select the edit button to make the necessary corrections. Then go ahead and select next to add your education. This will also be imported from your resume. Then go ahead and select next to add languages. Then go ahead and select next to write an overview. So this will also be populated from your resume. You can also use ChatGPT to help you. Then go ahead and select next to set your rate. Now go ahead and select next to add your photo and location, and ensure that you complete your information accurately. So here I'm just going to select upload and upload a photo from my PC. Here you're going to go ahead and select upload. So select attach photo to continue. Here you're going to enter your details. You're going to provide your date of birth, your country, your address, and your phone number, and then select review profile. Now on this page, you're going to review your profile, then go ahead and select submit. Now one thing to note, to my understanding, I'm not an expert at this. When you buy connects, you increase your opportunity to land a remote job, right? So my purpose here was to really just share with you how to create your profile. I'm not a freelancer expert, so just putting that out there. Now, if you don't want to buy connects, you can just go ahead and select browse without bidding, and then you can just basically start searching for jobs that you would like to do. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.